Have you ever wondered how do our eyes see? Well, it's actually a pretty simple question with a not so simple answer. So let's break it down into easy peasy steps so that even a kid can understand it. Step number 1, let the light in. The first step is for your eye to let the light in. You have one big round window on the front of your eye called the cornea. This cornea acts like a magnifying glass, focusing the light that comes in. Now, this is important because what's beyond the cornea is a jelly-like substance called vitreous humor. And it is literally just a big blob of jelly that is there to keep the shape of your eye. But if the light doesn't get focused properly by the cornea, then it won't focus at all after it passes through the blob of jelly. Step number 2, focus the light onto the retina. Once the light passes through the cornea and the vitreous humor, it hits the back of your eye called the retina. The retina is made up of millions of tiny cells called photoreceptors. These photoreceptors are like little light bulbs that get turned on when they absorb light. But in order for these photoreceptors to work, the light needs to be focused onto them in a specific way. That's where the lens of your eye comes in. The lens is a transparent structure that sits behind the pupil and iris. It works like a camera lens, focusing the light onto the retina. When the light hits the retina, the photoreceptors send signals to the brain, which then interprets those signals as an image. Step number 3, send the signals to the brain. So now that the light has been focused onto the retina and the photoreceptors have absorbed the light, they need to send signals to the brain. They do this through a bundle of nerves called the optic nerve. The optic nerve carries the visual signals from the eye to the brain, where they are interpreted as an image. So next time you look out the window, take a moment to appreciate the amazing process that allows you to see the world around you. Letting the light in, focusing the light onto the retina, and sending the signals to the brain. Wow, isn't it amazing? And hey, if you want to learn more about the human body, stay tuned for more videos. We've got tons of fun and educational content coming your way. Don't miss out.